Hey friends, it's Miss Kapusta here. In this short video, I'll be showing you how to make your very own recycled milk jug bird feeder. This art activity will require some patience and time, but watching wildlife enjoy your creation will be oh so worth it. Step 1. Cut. Use scissors to cut out windows in the milk jug. Don't cut too low, as the bottom of the feeder is where the bird seed will be stored. Don't cut the windows too wide either, if you plan to add a resting perch for birds. Step 2. Holes. Using the pointy tip of scissors or an X-Acto knife, carefully create 2 holes near the top of the jug on either side of the lid to attach a string to hang the jug later. Step 3. String. Cut a piece of twine or rope to the desired length and then insert it into the holes and knot it to secure it. Step 4. Perch. Optional. If you want to add a perch for birds to stand on, you'll need some sticks. Carefully cut slits below each window on the bottom right and left. The slits should be just a little wider than the sticks you are using so that they can easily slide in. You might also want to add glue to the stick and slits here to secure the perch. Step 5. Decorate. Now it's time to decorate the rest of your jug using acrylic paint, permanent markers, or glitter. You can even glue on more sticks or bottle caps for decoration. Make sure to let the layers dry in between. Note, whatever you choose to use, make sure it is not toxic to wildlife. That's it! Once your bird feeder is nice and dry, fill it with bird seed and hang it outside. Give your local birds and squirrels a few days to discover their new hangout. I hope you have fun with this activity. It's a perfect way to spend a summer afternoon. Thanks for watching. See you later!